Students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 3, multiples and factors. In this chapter, our topic is lowest common multiples or LCM. Let us learn about the least common multiples, or you can call it LCM too. Let us understand the meaning of term common multiple. When two or more numbers have the same numbers as their multiples, those multiples are said to be common multiples. Now let us see what do we mean by the least common multiple. The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of those numbers. To understand it in better way, let us solve an example. Find the least common multiple of 6, 8 and 12. We will follow the 3-step process to find the LCM. Step 1. List the multiples of all the given numbers. Everyone know the table of 6, 8 and 12. So multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. Finally, the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Step 2. Identify the common multiples of all the given numbers. The common multiples of 6, 8 and 12 are 24, 48 and so on. Step 3. Write the least common multiple of all the given numbers. Here the least common multiple is 24. Thus LCM is 24, which is the smallest number of the common multiples. Now let us solve one more example. Find the LCM of 9 and 18. Everyone know the table of 9 and 18. So multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and so on. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, 180 and so on. Here the common multiples of 9 and 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72 and so on. Thus the LCM of 9 and 18 is 18. Now let us solve one more example. Find the LCM of 12, 14 and 84. Everyone know the table of 12, 14 and 84. So multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, 168 and so on. Multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, 140, 154, 168 and so on. Multiples of 84 are 84, 168, 252, 336, 420, 504, 588, 672, 756, 840 and so on. So the common multiples of 12, 14 and 84 are 84, 168 and so on. Thus the LCM of 12, 14 and 84 is 84. Now let us solve one more example. Find the LCM of 5, 6 and 10. Everyone know the table of 5, 6 and 10. So multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and so on. So the common multiples of 5, 6 and 10 are 30, 60 and so on. Thus, the LCM of 5, 6 and 10 is 30. Now I am sure all of you must wondering why we did not list 0 as a multiple for any of the number. That is because we did not consider 0 when we have to find the LCM. Otherwise, the LCM of all the numbers would always be 0. Hope you better understand the LCM. Students, practice is the best way to make sure you really understand. The more you practice, the more you are going to enjoy maths. Thank you. Have a nice day.